Have you ever stood in the grocery store wondering, should I go for these colorful fresh veggies or just grab the frozen ones and be done with it? You're not alone. There's a lot of confusion and a lot of myths around this. In this video, we're diving deep into a question that actually matters for your health. Are frozen vegetables just as healthy as fresh ones, or are we losing nutrients in the freeze? You might be surprised by what the research actually says. Let's say you buy fresh spinach on Monday. You toss it in the fridge, thinking you'll use it in a smoothie by Wednesday. But life gets busy. By Friday, it's mushy and brown at the bottom of your drawer. Sound familiar? Meanwhile, that same spinach, if it were frozen, would be sitting in your freezer as green and nutritious as the day it was picked. Why? Because it was flash frozen within hours of harvest. So, wait, does that mean frozen is actually better? So on this channel, we break down health facts in a real, practical way. If you're into smart eating, better health, and simplified science, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned till the end because we also provide free nutrition tips and healthy product recommendations that'll help you eat clean without losing time or money. Now, let's get into it. Often travel long distances before they hit your local store. They're picked, shipped, stored, and displayed over several days or even weeks. During this time, they can lose a significant portion of their vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants. A 2017 study by the University of California found that spinach can lose up to 90% of its vitamin C content within 24 hours of harvest if not stored properly. So unless you're buying local or eating straight from your garden, that fresh broccoli might not be as fresh or as nutritious as you think. Frozen veggies, on the other hand, are usually picked at peak ripeness, when they're most nutritious, and then blanched and flash frozen within hours. The freezing process locks in nutrients almost instantly. Some vitamins, like B and C, can still be lost during blanching, but overall, the retention is surprisingly high. And the best part? Frozen veggies are convenient, last for months, and reduce food waste. So if you're tight on time or tired of tossing out spoiled kale, frozen might be your best friend. Now, let's talk taste. Some frozen veggies, like peas, corn, or spinach, hold up really well. Others, like zucchini or tomatoes, can turn mushy due to the high water content. So here's a quick tip. Use frozen for cooking, soups, stews, stir-fries, and fresh for salads and raw dishes. That way, you get the best of both worlds. So what's the verdict? Both frozen and fresh vegetables have a place in a healthy diet. If you can buy local and eat fresh immediately, great. But don't be afraid to stock up on frozen, especially if you want to cut prep time and reduce waste without sacrificing nutrition. So if you're serious about your health, subscribe, like, and hit the bell to never miss a smart health tip again. Let us know in the comments, what's in your freezer right now? Frozen berries? Spinach? Or are you team fresh all the way?